परफॉर्मेंस भी दानिश स्कूल की जानिब से पेश की जा रही है। डीजे खान गर्ल्स कैंपस है और इनका मौजू ही वही मौजू है जो बाकी तमाम लोग लेकर आए थे। से नो टू करप्शन।
One lady is seen among the crowd. Though she looks like a normal woman, her noble and dignified appearance set her apart from everyone else in the place. Yet, people went by without even throwing a glance at the stately lady. For some reason, she is invisible to their eyes. She is the Pakistan. Yes, the mother of Pakistan. As she crossed a building, she heard some voices and stopped to listen. Oh, a maid. Oh, sun is also late. La 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 la.
Sir? Sir?
What's wrong with you?
Sir, I want to meet your Sahab.
Wait, sir is coming.
Yes. I will try to come. Sorry. Okay.
Assalamualaikum.
Okay, listen. Okay, leave it. Okay. Okay, I will call you back. Bye.
May I come in, sir?
Yes.
Sir, assalamualaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
Sir, there is man. He wants to meet you.
Okay, send him.
Go inside.
Yes.
Sir, I need a CC for my daughter. Here is my ration card and the details of child's background.
Everything's in order but for one.
But sir, I don't understand.
You don't understand? Wait. Come inside.
Yes, sir.
Take him out and explain the procedure here.
Come here. Yes, sir. Give me 1,000 rupees. You know the procedure or what?
But sir, I am from a poor family. I have enough money only to pay my child's fee. And today is the last day. Please sir.
Even I have a child who's been asking for a new cricket set and I have few rupees short. So either hand over the money or else.
But sir, please sir.
You must attach 200 rupees along with the detail if you want to get it signed.
But sir, I am from a poor family. Please sir.
If you are to argue with officer like this, he may even tear the CC in anger and you will never get it.
They get salary from the government for nothing and don't know how I am going to pay my child's fee.
Power does not corrupt, fear corrupts. Perhaps
The fear of the living power and the cities will prevail in this society. I will overshadow and will burn the honesty.
oh, Allah, this is disgraceful. There are ways people want to bloodshed everywhere. Let me try another place. Surely it will be better to be there. Surely. But you remember what I said. You have to send that to my wife. I forget. No, not in my bank account. Well, your lunch with me. Okay, then we will discuss it later. Bye. Excuse me. What's wrong with you?
I want to sir.
Wait, baby, wait. May I come in, sir? Sir, may I come in?
Come in.
Sir, Assalamualaikum.
Yes.
Sir, one lady wants to meet you. You can't send her letter asking her to come in. She is coming for the last 2 weeks. Sir, no, I can't delay her procedure anymore. Okay, send her. Let's see. Go, baby, inside. Yes, baby, what is your problem?
Sir, I have been coming here for the last 2 weeks. Before it, I have telephoned and even lodged 3 complaints that the street lights are not working in our street for the past 4 months. People, especially children, suffer a lot. So please help.
What?
Sir, I
not good.
Bibi, tell me again.
Sir, due to street life problem, especially children suffer a lot, so please have a look on it.
Sorry, Bibi, your complaint did not reach me.
What do you mean? It didn't reach you? It was me who had filed them directly to you. Sir, I hope you don't expect me to believe what you say.
Kadri, come in.
Yes, sir.
Take this woman out right now.
Sir, please listen to me. Sir, please.
Come, baby, come. Come. What's wrong with you, baby? Why don't you just give him what is he asking for?
What do you mean? What is he asking for?
Bride, baby, bride, as you people call it. If you want your work to get done, you must give him money.
This is unfair. Then what is he paid by the government for? Next beggars will start demanding coins from us.
You don't waste your time here. Either give me money or move away.
Allah, what should I do? What should I do?
Money, baby, money.
Should I give money?
Money, yes, money.
I think I have to give.
Money.
I have to give as I don't know what should I do next. I have to give. Yes, I
Give
have
money. Money.
I have to.
Money. Yes.
I'll take it.
Oh,
No, please get it from me.
See you, dumb people, see. When one gets in bed with government, one must accept the will to suffer. It will suffer, it will prevail, and no one could stop me. No one could stop me.
She is not acceptable for rejection. She must not give the bride. She must have to demand in writing. Also, she had a chance to offer somebody refused to the bride. But she didn't. Why? Why she didn't? She didn't.
Sir, may I come in?
Yes, sir.
Salam, sir.
Walaikum assalam.
Sir, one man. Oh, yes, sir. Mr. Malik, he wants to meet
Wait.
you.
Yeah, send him.
Sir, go inside.
Salam, Saab. Have a seat, please. How are you, sir?
Fine.
As you know the procedure, sir, you have to pay taxes.
Tax? What the hell? Should I pay to the government first? Should I pay to the government first? It is just like throwing the money into bottomless well. I am not dependent on them anyway.
Cool down, sir. Please sit down. down, sir. Cool down, cool down. Yes, sir. What? Okay, okay. Okay, thank you so much. Sir, listen. There is going to be an income tax rate in your home tonight at 8 p.m. It is secretly arranged. Be ready, sir, be ready.
Right, I'll see it.
Listen, sir, listen. Meanwhile, pay attention on this poor man, sir.
Sure, it will be done.
Thank you, sir. Hey, hi, darling. How are you?
Me fine. I called you to tell that everything has reached us safely. All the appliances are from good company.
Oh.
I think our son will be very happy with his new laptop.
Oh, that's great. Listen, darling. Once you asked me about a new diamond jewelry set,
Hey,
darling.
yes, means I'm going to have it soon.
Yes, you will.
Thank you. I am very happy, darling.
Welcome.
The most dangerous in the world are not initiating the evil act, but those who do the act for them. To act without conscience, but for a paycheck, makes anyone a dangerous animal. The devil would be powerless if he couldn't stop the people to do his work. As long as money continues to seduce the greedy, needy, and broken, there will always be war between brothers.
No.
See, I am present in every segment of this society. I will never go anywhere. I will never go anywhere.
Yes. We will not be destroyed by those who do evil, but by those who watch them without doing anything. I never expected this. Where even the family members who are supposed to advise these corrupt officials against the vice are supporting them. Where are the leaders? Where are the leaders who are responsible for all this disorder and chaos? Where are the leaders? Where are?
Assalamu alaikum. Thank you so much for your warm welcome. I'm very happy to be here with so many friends and prestigious candidates. In this election, Pakistanis have said loud and clear that too many families are living in poverty. They have had enough of the same old debates. They deserve better. That's why we should dare to bring about change. My friends, change that is now is necessary because someone wants to get benefit from the divisive politics. All debates, all debates and negative politics that we have seen since the beginning of this campaign are exactly what the Green Labour Justice Party stray away from. Green Labour! Green Labour! I am committed to do things differently in Pakistan. And I am committed to get results in first 100 days as a president, not in 5 years. Green Labour! Green Labour! Now, this is the time for someone to take on these responsibilities, and we are ready to take on this challenge. But it can't be done without you. So let's work together. Let's roll up our sleeves and work right now. Support the
Green Labour Justice Party.
support the Green Labour Justice Party. Support the Green Labour Justice Party. Thank you so much. Green Labour.
Justice Party.
Green Labour.
Justice Party.
Green Labour.
Justice Party.
What are you waiting for? Join your hands now. What are we in?
I think corruption don't change the law. I donate to politicians to change the law. I see nothing. I hear nothing. And I say nothing. I say nothing.
We are not selling our votes here, and we are not selling our souls. Please go away.
Yes, go ahead.
Yes, yes. I have a hope, Alhamdulillah. I have a hope to survive in peace and harmony, strong and united. If the men like him are present, then we will become strong nation under one flag. Inshallah, we will become strong nation. We will become strong nation. No! 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 I have a hope. No! No! Oh.
Hi, Assalamualaikum.
Walaikum salam. Where are you coming from?
We both are coming from the admission cell.
Oh, why?
You know, my sister was on the top of marriages, but that clerk wants money to the documents verified.
Oh.
And you know what? The best part, I made a video recording. As usual, I was having my camera in my hand and was about to take selfie when I heard his demand. So I started making a video.
And now we have proof and we are going to submit the complaint in students' complaint cell.
Oh.
And by the way, where are you coming from?
Sure, there was a political procession of my favorite leader. And you know what? I also took a photograph when his assistants were trying to sell his votes just for 1,000 rupees.
See, same the thing happened to me. Just a few days ago, I have to file an RTI application to get my work done in one of those departments. People call me a fool for wasting so much time when I could easily have done it with some money. But I am not going to give any money, not even a paisa. Why should I? This is present injustice and I am not going to tolerate it any longer.
Yeah, you are right. It's alright. We need not to get worried. Just we need to be confident and do the things according to law. And raise the voices through these evidences so that everyone will be accountable for its own action.
Yeah, let's go. Are you alright, miss?
Can you see me?
Of course, we can see. We have eyes for a reason. So what's up?
I don't think I can bear any more corruption.
Oh, so you are a victim of that disease too?
I always say no to corruption and yes to integrity. I believe in the duty of youth to challenge the corruption. This is what I believe, my dear youth, to work honestly and sincerely and be loyal and faithful to the Pakistan government. So, I can assure you that there is nothing greater in this world than your own conscience.
Yes, you are right, Mrs. Pakistan. We are with you. Oh, we are getting late. We have to register the complaint before 4 p.m. So we gotta go. It was nice meeting you.
If they and the people like them are present, then there is no power on earth that can undo Pakistan. I have a hope. I still have a hope. We still have a hope. Yes, We have a hope. We still have a hope. Alhamdulillah.
You can walk straight through hell with a smile. Champions.